My motivation of the exploration of the Te Tiriti's history is, a lot of the work we're doing is understanding and helping our people, and this is a part of the journey, as well as personally, going back and rediscovering my whakapapa. It's all a part of it. Well, for me, one misunderstood aspect is that there was actually two versions. I didn't really know that properly until speaking to you, bro, in terms of the difference. So, that for me is one of the biggest ones, and what the differences are between the Māori version and the Pākehā version. Bro, my personal knowledge is pretty low of Te Tiriti, and that's why I'm here. I think that all New Zealanders need to know that there are two versions and what the differences are. I think understanding is very important, and that brings empathy. Come and do this program. That's the best thing I can say, is come and do this program so you have a proper understanding about it. I think the one thing I learned today that surprised me actually is that all the other nations that are looking at us as the example, sometimes we're so caught up in the fight and it really makes me understand that Jesus, what we have here with Te Tiriti is beautiful, and if we all stick to it, it's it'll be such a much more happier place. It's definitely increased my knowledge. It's increased my knowledge. There's a lot of information, and what it's done is it's made me hungry for more. I think this is, what we'd say an entree, right? It dips our toes in the water, and it's really comfortable, and like they said at the start, a real safe place. And for me, it's opened the door to take me and also our organisation further along this journey. The one positive I could pass on is that it is a beautiful document that if it's stuck to and if the principles are adhered to, it really does create an environment where that we can all thrive together. It's not about one population losing out for another. It's about being together, and that's the one thing I'd say. Ooh, well, the hospitality has been next level. I came in today, it was day one of my 75 hard. I leave here today and it's back to day one. The food was next level. Everyone makes you feel welcome, because it is, can be a scary thing for people, coming in and you're vulnerable, but you're made to feel very safe and welcomed, and it really is an amazing hospitality. Food next level. Look at the food, about 100 out of 10. I would definitely recommend this Tiriti Workshop, because it's such a safe way to start, and it's just opening the door for you. I really believe, and I'm only early on this journey too, and the more I understand about it, it's like opening my mind to things, and it starts answering questions that you've had. Why is this happening? And it starts to make sense of the world, and then you start thinking about, okay, well, here's how we can fix it. So definitely recommend it.